Well, good Sunday morning. It is 5:30 a.m. and I'm getting up early to go to the Cars and Coffee at Ocean Beach in San Francisco, California. Happens every third Sunday of the month, and I've just kind of accidentally happened into this one year. I decided to make a point getting up early for it today because it's going to be a beautiful day. And I haven't done anything car showy for a couple years, actually. Not that it's really a car show, it's just kind of a hangout of a bunch of car enthusiast people. So the one that happens at Ocean Beach is pretty good size. So gonna get going and check it out. She's alive. Okay, so I might be a wee bit early. But the last time I happened into Cars and Coffee here was by accident. It was 7:30 and there was hardly a parking spot in this entire giant lot. So being early is okay. I will just make myself some breakfast and hope I got the right day. And being early is actually kind of cool. It gives me time to spruce up. I gotta clean up my glass. Glass is a little spotted and dirty, so I'll take care of that. Early indicators that I may be in the right place. This little Camaro has been doing donuts in the parking lot, so I think I'm in the right place. Of course, that could just be your standard Sunday morning here for them, because you gotta find a spot to whip the car around a bit. Grind your tires to dust. That's the idea. So one of the super fun things about showing hella at a car show, whether it be a legit car show or a gathering like this, is you can touch this truck. You can handle it. You can feel it. Kids love it. They're not going to hurt it. They can climb up in it, and it's just really fun to have a vehicle that you can show and people can actually interact with it. And and I'm a car guy. I get it. Like when I go to a car show, I don't touch nice cars. I mean, that'd have to be my buddy for me to even touch it, So that makes hella really fun to show because she's not off limits to touch. Oh, I'm thinking it's gonna be a gorgeous day. It's morning twilight now. And this guy's sure enjoying his little car. I think he's done this oval about, 20 times now. And it just keeps getting better for him every single time. I am definitely in the right place because cool old gasser on a trailer just got hauled in. Beautiful Chevelle convertible. I think it's a Le Mans. Couple of 60s cars that way. Chevelle might be a 70. And a beautiful old first gen Ford van. Well, not first gen, but like late 60s. So it's shaping up. It's shaping up. It's only 7 o'clock. More like it. Here we go. Dragon cans. Okay, I haven't seen that before. Sweet. This is Race of Gentlemen stuff here. And this is another reason I love being early. I get to see all the shit rolling in, and I love that. It's just one of the coolest things. One of the other reasons I always come early to a car show is not everybody wants to be parked right beside Hella because she blocks the view of their car. So I like getting there early. And oh boy, got that little hot rod. That's cool. Yeah, get there early so that people can choose if they want to be parked right next to me. Because I learned that lesson, I think, at my first car show. When at your legit car shows, a lot of times they have an organizer who parks you, and they parked me right next to two like right between two really low cars, and one of the owners didn't care. The other one, I could tell he was kind of pissed. And so ever since, I've been real sensitive about that and made sure I'm parked up with trucks if they actually park me, or I just get there early like today. So whoever ends up beside me, they chose to be beside me, you know? Just car show courtesy when you drive a big honking box. More and more sweet cars arriving. 50s Chevys, Porsche, early Nomad. Wow, that's sweet. Line up a little Voxies. Always love these guys. Really, really cool. I agree. Rust is not a crime. Nice, nice, nice. Love the old Ford van. That's so sweet. Cool. Oh, and I love the engines in that housing. So cool. I'll tell you, that is really nice if you have to work on your engine in bad weather. Really got a little bit of everything. And it's only just begun. I mean, it's not even 8 o'clock yet. Oh, so pretty. Ooh, owie on the front of that. I'm sure that was a tearjerker. Oh, yes. Love this kind of stuff. Oh, yeah. You'd never guess that's my jam. Nope, you'd never guess. Oh, sweet little future. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. AMC Rambler. Ooh. Wait, not AMC. Maybe. Oh, that is cool. Right on. Another Rambler. Wow. Oh my goodness. Paddy. Sleds. Wow. Good stuff. Good stuff. First gen bagged Suburban. That's rad. Wowza.
There was
some modern tuner guys. Yeah, this is pretty damn cool. And of course, you just can't beat the California beach background. We're digging that. Local clubs showing up, represent. They got some beauties. Look at the details on this roof. That is some nice work. Laugh-a-lots. Slammed Chevy truck. Lots of bagged stuff in their crew. That's a beauty. Check out this rag top wagon. I don't think that's a factory option. Wow. That is awesome. Hells. Wow. Laugh-a-lots. These guys have rad cars. Wow. Can't beat the curves. Sweet rides keep rolling in. I love Cars and Coffee because it's not like a sanctioned car show, and it's just so freewheeling. Beautiful Mach 1. Got a beast of a 64 Galaxy. That thing is insane. Wow. And then right next to that, this amazing Woody. This thing is gorgeous. My apologies to the guy for calling it a thing. I was talking to him. All the wood's original, except for he had to replace one corner. This is just so gorgeous. Yes, love, love, love it. So yeah, heck of a turnout. I don't think it's even 9 o'clock yet. So this thing is as big as I remember. All these 60s Chevy pickups, my favorite generation for Chevy trucks. Love the early Suburban. So cool to have a non-themed show where just anybody shows up. Cool old Chevy work truck. This thing is great. So yeah, it's awesome. Beautiful dent side. 3/4 ton Ford. This is the generation of body style that my Bronco was, though the Bronco was a 78. I think this is a 75 or 76, 77, something like that, for the grill change. But this is one of my absolute favorite Ford pickups. Just so good looking. Nice. Slam that puppy down. Love it when the lowriders arrive. Beauty. Yep, God, that's so cool. Dropping them. Oh, that's great. That thing doesn't want to do anything but leap and hit the high RPMs. Love me the square backs. Time to make some breakfast and some coffee. It is Cars and Coffee after all, right? Cars keep rolling in. This one's for Paul. More your style, buddy. So this is still going strong. Haven't been able to walk around much because I've been hanging out with the rig talking to people. So I'm grabbing a quick opportunity. It's been really fun. Really awesome folks. All real warm and friendly and open.
You know that meme online. If you take
So great show. Look, almost 9:30. I think it's starting to spool down a little bit. But it's been awesome. Really fun. And a great turnout. I would encourage anybody who's into cars. Oh wow, a notch. You do not see these very often. But if you're into cars, you gotta check out the Ocean Beach Cars and Coffee. great rides. Lovely sound. Super rad. You hardly ever see an AMX. That is a really cool car. Very, very rare bird. I like it. Really cool they brought this out. Well, the show is breaking up. It was a great one, a great gathering. I would encourage anybody into this, like I said earlier. Hit the Cars and Coffee at Ocean Beach every third Sunday of the month. And you'll be glad you did. Hope you enjoyed it.